Coffee blend garlic, honey easy recipe. A table with ingredients: coffee, garlic, and honey. Discover the amazing benefits of coffee blend garlic and honey, a simple and powerful recipe. Coffee beans being ground. Start by grinding fresh coffee beans to your desired coarseness. Garlic cloves being minced. Next, mince fresh garlic cloves to release their potent compounds. Honey being poured into a bowl. Pour a generous amount of pure honey into a mixing bowl. The ingredients being combined in a jar. Combine the ground coffee, minced garlic, and honey in a jar, and mix well. A person stirring the mixture. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure all the ingredients are well incorporated. A person brewing the coffee blend. To enjoy the benefits, simply brew a cup of this unique coffee blend. A person sipping the coffee blend. The coffee blend garlic and honey offers a range of benefits. 1. Immune support. 2. Antioxidant rich. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. It provides immune support, is rich in antioxidants, and possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Experience the power of coffee blend garlic and honey. Try this easy recipe and unlock the potential health benefits in every cup. This message is brought to you by Dr. Ol.